Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. And today, you don't know ever blood clean mad reaction. You know see what we got today, man? Yeah, man, we got the current reigning queen or princess dancehall right now. Yeah, see me answer. That's to be debated. But yeah, man, we there with none and a Dan. Yeah, man, the Shenyang boss herself now, man. Yeah, man, we there with none and a Shenseea. Yeah, with a new track, that new track featuring Coi Leray. You see me, and apparently the one that is entitled Flava. I will check it out and see what the one they win. Yeah, man, Shenseea featuring Coi Leray Flava. I believe this is for a new album. Never Gets Late here, which we're gonna do an album review and reaction. Just gonna drop that for you soon, gang. Look out for that as well. Yeah, man. So I check it out and see what she deal with today. Yeah, man, Shenseea, Flava featuring Coi Leray. So go on. She been trying to win back the hearts of dancehall fans and Jamaicans alike. Let's see what I go on. You see me once again. Trying to take you back to the roots. Yeah.
Yes, them I look good in my tight little dress. Suck it up and me make the man them obsessed. Put in the work when we dance and we sweat. Dangerous when the pum pum get wet. Smooth like the skin on my face. Draw figure 8 when my wine up.
Okay, this was very sudden. Okay.
Bumper and boom, we no need either wait. If you get a taste, you can lick up the plate. You wanna rub it up, touch it up, fill it up, turn it up on it all night. If the lights went down, get you keep it up, baby.
Okay, it's very upbeat, kind of, fun, energetic. They look good in it, but with the opening, I wasn't expecting this song. You see what I say? With the opening and the ray, this shit kind of caught me off guard.
Wanna jump it down, pick it up, turn around, lift it up for you all night. Bet you wanna get some of my dirty love, baby. The boys, them all want me. Them gyal I get salty. When my talking spicy. It make you want bite me. You just want the flavor. You just want
Bite your wish for that. Why for that? How we are trying to boy. You see what I say? But move up.
the flavor. You just want the flavor. You just want the flavor. Come on, baby, what you tryna do? I'm tryna pull up on you like a drive-through. I wanna know if we rockin', would you keep it cool? Take trips and private dinners just for us two.
Y'all looking good, you know what I'm saying? Alright, Coi Leray ain't turning too off. It's sounding cohesive.
Buy me Givenchy dresses and feed me breakfast. Sex is immaculate, loving when he show affection. Over the balcony, bend me over like we stretching. And I ain't never tapping out like we wrestling. Throw it back.
They look cleaner, I ain't gonna lie.
Back on it. Got all these boys mad cause I passed on it. I'm a fly bitch, come on baby, spin a bag on it. Yeah, we so extra, feeling like young in the rest. Wanna rub it up, touch it up, fill it up, turn it up on it all night. If the lights went down, could you keep it up, baby?
Alright, Shenseea getting good with the singing. Kinda like it, it's a fun vibe. Yeah,
you wanna jump it down, pick it up, turn around, lift it up for you all night. Bet you wanna get some of my dirty love, baby.
I want some dirty love. I'm to you. Come in, man. Hey, come in.
The boys, them all want me. Them gyal I get salty. When my talking spicy. It make you want bite me.
You know, like the party. Why you trying to always sneak this shit in, Shenseea? This is not a part of the culture, bro. Why you trying to sneak that shit in, bro? Come on, stop it. Just get off that train. We're not getting behind that shit. You see me? Just get off that. Stop trying to push that.
You just want the flavor. You just want the flavor. You just want the flavor. You just want the flavor.
Like the visuals though, but the beginning didn't like the beginning. This shit throw you off. You wasn't expecting this song from that beginning. The beginning sound all dramatic and like some crazy, you know? Oh, no, man, but it's a vibe though. You see me? But why Captain Morgan and not wearing nephew? directed by Kevin Vaughn. Put camera. But yeah, man, I like the video. Yeah, I like the song. It's a very fun, upbeat, joyful type tune. As I mean, like I said, didn't expect that from the beginning of the video. Visuals didn't really match, but yeah, man, very upbeat, fun, energetic, summer feel type of song. Ladies gonna love that as well. Shenseea did her thing on this track. I think her and Coi Leray actually sound very cohesive. Like they work well together. As I mean, it didn't sound forced or out of place or anything like that. But yeah, man, that was Shenseea. This is actually a fun track. This is actually the first track I'm hearing from the album because I think this is the only one with a video. You see me? And because we're doing a reaction. So yeah, but we're gonna react to the full album. Look out for that. I'm gonna drop a reaction. I might drop the reaction, I might do it live. I'm still trying to decide. I already created a live, but we didn't do it. I created a live, was to go live, didn't go around because stuff got around, but I have the live set up. But I'm trying to decide I'm gonna do it live or I'm just gonna record it and then drop it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let you know on that one, guys. But yeah, man, Shenseea doing that thing. For the first track that I'm hearing off the album, it sounds very fun. And from Never Gets Late here, it sounds like it's gonna be a very fun, summery type album. Hopefully I'm not wrong. So we're gonna react to it and see. But yeah, man, Shenseea do her thing. She and Coi Leray do her thing. Like that track. Let me know what y'all think though. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. You already know. Let me know what your favorite part about the track. And let me know if you listen to the album already. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you said that. And if y'all listen to the album, let me know if you're on the live album reaction. Let me know all that good stuff, gang. But yeah, drop your comments. Let me know your favorite part of this track and the album if you listen to it already. And drop your request. You will get your shout out. You already know what's happening. Till next time, gang. You don't know about Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Done. Love you guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.